Hi there, Doug Williams, Blade Chevrolet. Thank you very much for letting me show you the 2013 Chevy Silverado 2500 LTZ long bed, 8-foot bed. This is a return to the fleet from a demo. Carl Blade has been using it, the owner. Any cosmetic flaws I find, I'll make sure to point out to you. I left it running so you could hear. Heated power back, memory 1 and 2, driver's exiting position, power windows, locks, mirrors, lockout for the passenger, 12-way power seat, deep floor mats, fog lights, automatic headlights, integrated trailer brake, redundant steering wheels controls, OnStar, Bluetooth, 5828 miles, OnStar with turn-by-turn navigation available, automatic climate control for passenger and driver, power pedals, rear parking assist, the quad cab with the full back door giving you total access to the interior of the vehicle. You'll notice the 20-degree angle on the seats giving you an extremely comfortable, I just noticed that, little scratch on the inside. Like to give you something to go by, a little perspective. Rear parking system, class 4 trailer towing, locking tailgate, as well as the lightweight tailgate assist. I love that one-handed access. I walked around before the video, that was all I saw. There is no internal odors. Showed you how deep. Pristine seats. Thank you very much for letting me show you the 2013 Chevy Silverado LTZ Duramax long bed. That's a mouthful. At Blade Chevrolet.